Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have here the JBL Flip 6. I just got my hands on this beauty from Amazon for $110 and I just can't wait to show you what's inside. As you can see, the packaging is pretty standard, a cardboard box with JBL branding on it. But let's not waste more time, just get straight into the unboxing. Remove these two stickers carefully to get into the box. Once you have removed them, you can just open the box from here. So this is the first thing that I see as I open the box. Let me open it. And inside here I have got the USB-A to USB-C charging cable. This is a universal cable, you can use it with other devices as well. And here is the quick start guide. The quick start guide provides you basic information on how to use the speaker. And let's see what else we have got inside the box. Here is the safety instruction and warranty card. So here is the speaker. I got a black color. It is also available in multiple different colors. You can check it out on JBL's website. It's sleek and a stylish design. It comes in a cylindrical shape. You can keep it vertically or horizontally, and it is covered with a mesh fabric and it is fully water resistant. About the features, the speaker delivers a powerful sound, or if you have used a JBL speaker before, you know what I'm talking about. It has a battery life of 12 hours, so you can enjoy music all day long, not worry about charging it. And charging takes about 2.5 hours. And it has a party boost feature that lets you connect to multiple JBL speakers at the same time. And you can control the music from JBL Connect app on your iOS or Android device. The sound quality is amazing. Only drawback I noticed was when the volume is up at the maximum, it can struggle a bit to deliver that quality, but if you're using the speaker at the right volume, you won't face that problem. Now let's take a look at the buttons and other physical features on the speaker. Here you have got the power button and the Bluetooth button and the light indicator and the charging port. And on the other side you have the play and pause button, volume up and down button, and the party boost button. The party boost button lets you access the voice assistant on your phone. You can make calls, you can send messages, or you can check out your calendar entries. It also lets you control the music playback on your mobile. It works like a shortcut key to your music library on your phone. The connectivity is pretty easy and straightforward. First, switch on the speaker. Then press the Bluetooth button and it will start blinking and it's ready for pairing. So on your mobile or the computer, you can go to Bluetooth, just tap on the JBL speaker and it will be connected. I will leave the Amazon link below if you like to buy the same speaker. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question, please drop a comment below. And if you like to see more videos from me, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.